What is up, YouTube? Today we are going to be talking about my top 3 favorite gaming PCs 2021. Yes, I'm talking about Prebuilt. Yes, I'm talking about the bomb. Yes, I am talking about best in class. So let's get started. We're going to start off this grand old list with the CyberPower PC Gaming Extreme series. I always liked CyberPower. I feel like they really took it up a notch with this year's latest computing. Starting with the i5 processor, you have the GTX 1660 and the 8 gigs starting RAM. This little beast will do great for your beginner's kind of gaming PC. I think that it has a fantastic utilization of a bunch of different parts in that computer. Let's move on. I've always liked MSI's products. They make some great laptops, they make some great computers, some great keyboards, some great mice, but they just absolutely killed it this year with their MSI Meg Trident X. The ability to go up to 64 gigabytes of RAM in this little beast. 2080 Ti graphics card, $21.99 buckaroos. Now, ranking my number 1 favorite computer on this list is going to have to be the Alienware Aurora R11 because of its raw capabilities. You will get the i9-10900 processor, up to 128 gigs of RAM, RTX 3090, one of the best graphics cards currently released. The price for the base model is $1109.99 USD. I think for the base model, that is a great price for your starting computer. The affordability mixed with the processing power, I think this would be a great buy. After hearing this, those of you still wanting to build, I am going to be posting a video here in a couple weeks of how to pick the perfect parts for your computer. Alright guys, that's everything. I do think that if you are going to be going for a more high-powered computer, I would stick with the Alienware. And if you are going to be going with a less high-powered computer and just more of your first beginner's computer jumping into the gaming world, I would go with something more like the MSI or the CyberPower. That concludes our video. If you are new to the channel, please give us a subscribe, please give us a thumbs up, show your support. I am releasing new content every single week, and we're going to be talking about things like how to pick perfect parts to build your PC, and we have more coming up. Stay tuned, stick around.